What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to overlay videos or put a video on top of another video in Premiere Pro. So as you can see here, I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a video on my timeline, a simple video here. Let's say I want to add a video on top of this one. First, make sure you have the video that you want to add here or to overlay selected in your project panel. Then what you want to do is to drag this video on top of the original one. So it'll put it in another video track. As you can see, you have many video and many audio tracks. Now, when I scrub through my timeline here, you'll see that the video of the waterfall now is on top of the ocean video. Now let's make this video smaller so the video at the bottom will appear. What you want to do is to go to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window here and select Effect Controls. Now, with my second clip selected, or the clip on top selected, let's go to the scale and scale it down a bit. Now let's say you want to change the position of the clip on top, the small clip on top. You can do this two ways. You can go to the Effect Controls panel with this clip selected, the clip on top, and then click on the position option, and you'll see here like a blue box appears outside of the clip. Now just click and drag the clip here to the position that you want, or you can change the values manually here from the position values. The first value controls the X position, or drag it to the left and the right, and the second value controls the Y position, or changes the position like to the top and the bottom.